Took out a old GE horizontal furnace. They didn't have air conditioning. Put in a Infinity horizontal with Infinity air conditioning. Some new ductwork. Put it up on some blocks. I got angle iron up underneath. Keep it from sagging. Got a Aprilaire humidifier 600. Easy Flex filter. It's a 60,000. Get the model number up here. It's going to be upside down. A 50-foot line set. Goes all the way down. All the way down. And it goes out. Back in there. I'll get you a picture of the air conditioner. I like using the easy pull lines. It doesn't tear as much as the old Armaflex. Flues go out over there, back of the house. Got it all sealed up. But that's what it looks like. There's a air conditioner, Carrier Infinity. Here's the model and serial number. 2.5 tons.